As local restaurants and businesses close due to COVID-19, many people are concerned about resources for truck drivers. Scotty Clark, a mechanic at Stewart Mechanical, says accommodating truck drivers is essential at this time.
We definitely need to keep these trucks rolling. I mean, these guys, they have nobody out there to really help them. They've been finding difficulties with parking spaces, needing a shower, anything like that. Just getting repairs, getting something to eat. I mean, these guys are pretty much the lifeline right now of what we need out here, and without them running, we have nothing.
Stewart Mechanical is just one business in Dawson Creek making themselves available to truck drivers.
We're pretty much offering truck drivers anything they need, like, I mean, repairs, if they need a place to park. We have it all here. It's 24/7. I mean, they need call out. We have service trucks. We just need some information and we can be on your way.
When it comes to eating, the local Burger King locations are one of many fast food establishments that are on board with accommodating truck drivers.
It's important that they get served, and I mean it's always been important, but I think the emphasis on that importance is right now during the fact that, you know, every grocery we buy, every fuel that we get, everything right now is reliant on truck drivers ensuring that they can bring us that. And our small way to say thanks is just ensuring that they're fed no matter what time it is.
Trevor is urging customers who use the drive-thru to be aware that there will be walkthroughs.
There is some concern, I know, on the safety aspect of it. So we just ensure that we take the extra steps and the extra precautions to keep both our car guests and our walk-up truck drivers safe.
A number of community members around the piece are also offering showers, meals, delivery, or a place to rest. Alicia Cornish, a local from Dawson Creek, is one of many who is happy to help.
We do have a driver coming in tonight. My mom and I are going out to go pick up him and his pilot truck driver. And we have a meal set up for them tonight, a shower, and just let them relax a little bit instead of getting stressed out over when their next shower or meal is.
The current situation hits close to home for Alicia, as she and her family have been part of the trucking community for years.
A lot of the drivers out there are our families, and they're supporting us through this crisis. We just want to pay them back.
Dawson Co-op Cardlock has washrooms and showers available 24 hours a day. UFA is also open, and Lee's Family Restaurant is offering services as well. Bailey Nitti, CJDC-TV News, Dawson Creek.
Salon and barber services provided by Accommodations. Be swept away to a world of peace and tranquility at Accommodations Salon and Day Spa.